Sometimes we receive files that are not in the format we need. Microsoft Copilot can help convert many different types of files into formats that are easier to use. This includes working with image files, videos, documents, spreadsheets, and even some audio files. For example, Copilot can convert image formats such as changing an HEIC image into a JPG or PNG, or converting images between formats like PNG, JPG, GIF, or BMP. It can also extract text from an image, so the text can be copied and used in a document. Copilot can also assist with video file conversions. For instance, if you have a MOV video file, you can ask Copilot to convert it into an MP4 file, which is often easier to use in presentations or other applications. In addition to images and video, Copilot can help convert document formats such as turning a PDF into a Word document, as well as converting TSV files into Excel spreadsheets. Some audio file conversions are also possible, such as converting WAV or M4A files into MP3 format. To use Copilot for file conversion, you need to open Copilot Chat in the Copilot app on your computer, or go to Microsoft 365 in your web browser. From there, upload the file. Next, tell Copilot what you want it to convert the file to. It is important to remember that these types of file conversions must be done in the main Copilot chat. Using Copilot in this way can save time by allowing you to quickly convert files without needing a separate file conversion tool.